Hey guys, as you know, Sunday को on the 1st of November, I did the biggest live event ever that I have ever done. और ये मेरा पहला live event था. वहाँ पे the feedback that I got from you guys was absolutely amazing. जो बंदे online देख रहे थे, in person देख रहे थे. I'm extremely happy that you guys came because you made it the biggest event ever. अब वहाँ पे मैंने Mentorship 3.0 भी launch करा था. And for the guys that are wondering कि Mentorship 3.0 क्या है, it's a completely new program and the most advanced dating transformation system for successful Indian men. यहाँ पे हमने सारी चीजें revamp करी है. सबसे पहले you're getting a brand new training portal with amazing videos जिसका मैं अभी तुम्हें प्रीव्यू देने वाला हूं. नंबर 2, एक्सक्लूसिव इनफील्ड्स ऑफ मी अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन एवरी सिचुएशन फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू फिनिश, अनकट, जो आपने आज तक नहीं देखी होंगी. उसके साथ साथ द सपोर्ट सिस्टम इज क्रेजी. यू आर गेटिंग वीकली वन-ऑन-वन कॉल्स, मल्टीपल ग्रुप कॉल्स एंड एक्सक्लूसिव प्राइवेट कम्युनिटी, एक्सेस टू आवर अलुमनाई नेटवर्क. उसके साथ साथ फॉर दिस वीक वी आर रनिंग क्रेजी बोनसेस वर्थ अप टू 3,90,000 rupees, including discounts of over 1 lakh rupees. So you're getting discounts, you're getting extra bonuses, free calls, extra boot camps, free one-on-one calls with me, और उसके साथ आज तक के हमारे जितने कोर्सेज है ऑन फ्री. ये लॉन्च ऑफर बट इसी वीक के लिए होने वाला है टिल द 9th of November. उसके बाद हमारा न्यू बैच स्टार्ट हो जाएगा एंड वी आर गोइंग टू क्लोज द एनरोलमेंट्स फॉर मेंटरशिप 3.0. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट मेरे पास बस 30 स्लॉट अवेलेबल है मेंटरशिप 3.0 के लिए, जिसमें से 17 स्लॉट अभी तक ऑलरेडी चले गए हैं. सो बस 13 स्लॉट बचे हुए हैं. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू मिस आउट, जस्ट अप्लाई फॉर मेंटरशिप 3.0 today and book your free personalized dating strategy session. Just click on the link below and apply for Mentorship 3.0. Now, आज की वीडियो में I want to give you a preview of Mentorship 3.0 and show you the first video of the entirely new Mentorship 3.0 course with embedded infields and skits and everything. पहली वीडियो का नाम है The Masculine Evolution Blueprint and this is here as a gift from my side for being a loyal follower, only for you for completely free. Let's roll the Masculine Evolution Blueprint.
You're successful in almost every area of your life. Your career, your finances, your education. But when it comes to dating, when it comes to women, and when it comes to creating the romantic life that you want, you're lost, you're confused, and more frustrated than you've ever admitted to anyone. And late at night, when you're alone, you feel it, that gap, that loneliness that success can't fill. The confidence that disappears the moment she walks in. The fear that keeps you silent when you know you should speak. You feel that you're going to be left behind. Your friends are getting married. The dating pool is shrinking. And you're tired of watching other men who aren't any better than you live the life that you want. And here's the worst part. You know you're not living up to your full potential. You're a strong man living like a weak one. But that ends today. Welcome to Mentorship 3.0, the most advanced dating transformation system for high-achieving men.
Hi, are you checking guys out on Tinder?
No.
Hello. Hi. Who are you?
Hi.
What is your name?
Hello, hi. I just saw you walking by. I just love that dress of yours.
Thank you.
What's your name? Excuse me. Hello. Hi. I think you're very cute. I like your hair. I wanted to say hi.
Hello. Hi there. Bossat. I love your hair. Hello.
Hi. Are you going to the airport or are you coming from the airport?
And this is my gift to you.
That's a cab. I'll walk you out. Talk to you for that. Utne time tak na. Have you murdered anyone before?
Not really. Maybe you're the first.
Maybe me. I'm going to be honored.
Would you?
Yeah, I know. If we're going to die, we're going to die by the hands of love.
Nice to meet you. Oh, I get it.
Because this isn't a course. This isn't just a collection of pickup lines. This isn't just a weekend workshop जो आप 2 दिन करो और फिर उसके बाद भूल जाओ. This is 15 years in the making.
So if you and I were to go on date, you'll not spend my money?
No, no.
Oh, you're nice. I'll take your Instagram. Do you mind if I get your Instagram?
Okay.
Tell me quick.
Cool, chalo, I'll see you later.
Bye.
Your Instagram or something.
So am I making you blush?
Yes, you might.
I might be doing something right. Give me your WhatsApp.
Okay, what's that?
This is my fashion theek. Thoda sa. It's perfect. Seriously. Now you're giving me compliments. You want to hang out sometime? Maybe next time I'll text you. Give me your number.
This is the exact collection of everything that I've learned. Mastering social skills, confidence, and dating. And coaching thousands of men since 2016 when I started Ironman Lifestyle. This is going to be a complete rewiring of your masculinity, your confidence, and your dating life. Listen, I know why you're here. You're successful at life, you're driven enough to make your own money, achieve your own goals. But when it comes to dating, when it comes to women, when it comes to figuring out your social life, you feel like you're always starting from zero. Maybe you've never had the courage to approach a girl, or maybe you've been friend zoned so many times and overlooked by women so many times that you've lost count. Maybe you have a crush, but you're too scared to tell her anything. There is a solution, and it's not a set of tricks, it's not a bunch of pickup lines, it's not some quickly ye ladki bolo or 6 din ladki in techniques. A proven step-by-step process to help you become the man that women are naturally drawn to. Think of it this way. In your life, you've got 3 main areas: your health, your wealth, and your relationships. अब तीनों में से अगर एक भी एरिया मिसिंग होता है, या एक भी एरिया ढंग से ऑप्टिमाइज नहीं है, then we become deeply unhappy and unsatisfied with life. So for example, if your health is fine, your relationships are fine, but पैसे नहीं है enjoy करने के लिए, life isn't as enjoyable. Let's say your relationships are fine, your wealth is fine, but you don't have the health to back it up. Then again, you won't be able to enjoy life. Now, most of you will be in this current situation. Health ठीक है, wealth भी आ रही है, but relationships not so optimized. This tripod of life a little bit unstable. I want you to promise me कि अगले 2 से 3 साल you're going to be dedicating to fixing this part of your life, your dating, your social life, and your relationships. Because you need to fix it once, and you're sorted for life. Which means no going back and being obsessed over past failed relationships. No having crushes on girls that don't like you back. No being stuck in unhappy relationships because you know you won't be getting anyone else. No settling. The goal here isn't to get a girlfriend or find a partner. The goal here is to hit abundance, to reach that state of choice and freedom where you are the man who can choose who you want to date or who you don't want to date. My goal here is to help you transform your personality so deeply that you never have to think about this problem ever again. Because the man that you become once stays with you forever. But this is going to take time. ऐसे नहीं है कि 1 महीने 2 महीने में हम सारी चीजें solve कर लेंगे. So I want you to dedicate the next 2 to 3 years to fixing this part of your life. During the course of Mentorship 3.0, I'm going to be taking you through 5 phases. I call it the masculine evolution blueprint. This is where we're going to be working on upgrading your external signal, your fashion, your grooming, your body language, and your vibe. So that at any point in time, when you walk into a room, even before you open your mouth, people can sense your presence. And people around you are magnetically drawn to you. This is going to be about upgrading your external part of the things and becoming visually magnetic. Phase 2 will be the rewire phase. This is where we're going to be working on the internal side of things. Your inner game, your beliefs, your mindset, your fear. Anytime your approach anxiety comes up, we're going to use scientifically proven and practically battle-tested methods to erase your fear, your overthinking, and your hesitation so that we can rewire your mind and reprogram your brain to finally start taking action. Phase 3 will be the spark phase. This is where we're going to work on attraction. You're going to learn how to start conversations anywhere, how to build sexual tension and attraction with anyone you meet within minutes, how to never run out of things to say, how to know what to talk about, and how to continue the conversation. At the same time, you'll learn how to never fall into the friend zone ever again. This is where you become the guy that women can't forget. Phase 4 will be the bond phase. This is where you're going to learn how to build the real genuine connection. You're going to learn how to text a girl to set up a date. You're going to learn how to be more engaging, how to build a real connection, how to tell stories, and how to have that authentic emotional connection with the girl so that she chooses you over anyone else in her life. And finally, phase 5, the lead phase. This is where you learn how to become the man who's leading and is in total control of his dates and his relationships. You'll learn how to run first dates with total control, how to escalate physically with confidence. You'll learn how to create and maintain deeper, fulfilling relationships. Basically, this is where you learn how to become the man that she does not want to lose. Now, let's get real for a second. This is only going to work if you go all in. This isn't going to work if you treat it as just a bunch of videos that you're going to watch and then you're going to go back into your life. This isn't going to work if you just want to dabble around here and just want to see what this is about. This will only work if you commit to it. If you commit to changing this part of your life, you commit to yourself that I will be the man that I know I can be. So before we go any further, I want you to make me a promise. Not to me, but to yourself. As long as you're here in the mentorship, you're gonna commit to solving this part of your life. Now before we move ahead, I want you to make me a promise. Not to me, but to yourself. I want you to repeat after me. I'm going all in on becoming the man I know I can be. Did you say it? If you didn't, we're going to make the promise again. I want you to say it out loud, send it out in the universe, and make it happen. So repeat after me. I am going all in on becoming the man I know I can be. Perfect. Welcome to Mentorship 3.0. Your first day to your new life starts now. Let's go.
Alright guys, that was the first video of Mentorship 3.0 called The Masculine Evolution Blueprint. If you liked it and you want to work on your dating life, you want to improve your social life, your confidence, your personality and build your masculinity and turn into a leader who's not only chasing women but is leading in every area of your life, you need to apply for Mentorship 3.0. And the crazy part is, only for this week, we're running launch offer for Mentorship 3.0 where you're getting bonuses up to 3,90,000. So extra discounts, over 1 lakh rupees, uske saath saath premium one-on-one calls, extra infields, lots and lots of other things जो बस इस हफ्ते के लिए available होने वाला है. So if you've ever wanted to improve your personality, to work with me personally and to sort this part of your life, और अगर 2026 में जो हम अभी जा रहे हैं for the next year, you want to make it the best year of your life, apply for Mentorship 3.0 right now क्योंकि भाई ये साल तो निकल गया है, अगले वाला नहीं जाना चाहिए. Click in the link below and book your free dating consultation session with one of our program advisors and we're going to figure out कि आपके main problems क्या है, आपकी dating life में आपके goal क्या है and what are the things that are stopping you from achieving those goals. उसके basis पे we're going to build out a complete roadmap for you for the next year and then invite you to be a part of the mentorship. But here's the crazy part. हमारे पास बस 13 slots available हैं, so you better hurry because लोग Mentorship 3.0 के लिए already apply कर रहे हैं. These are crazy bonuses and it's a one-on-one coaching program, so हम 30 से ज़्यादा लोग नहीं ले सकते हैं. 17 लोगों ने already sign up कर लिया. Just click on the link below and apply for Mentorship 3.0. I'm going to see you on Monday because 10th of November is when the new batch of this begins, after which we're going to close the enrollment. So click on the link below, apply for Mentorship 3.0.